On Amazon, you have 5 seconds in order to grab a customer's attention, increase your CTR, and increase your sales. If you have no idea how all of this works, then this is the video for you, so let's get started. The main image is what attracts customers to your product page, increasing your click-through rate or CTR, and then increasing your sales. Now, Amazon image guidelines are quite restrictive, and if you do end up breaking those guidelines, chances are Amazon is going to search suppress your listing, which is something that you want to avoid. However, what if I told you that you can still increase the CTR on your main image, make some interesting changes while maintaining Amazon's image guidelines? Interesting? I think so. Welcome back to the channel. But if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, hi, my name is Crystal and I'm the founder of Amazon Sellers Society and Sellers Society. We're your go-to Amazon service provider and ads agency based in Dubai and serving sellers on Amazon in the Middle East, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, as well as Turkey. If you're looking for help with maybe increasing your sales, proper advertising strategy, or even starting out your Amazon store and you have no idea where to get started from, we're here to help and support you. All you need to do is to check out all the information on our website and book a call with our team. Our website is www.assmiddleeast.org. By the way, you'll also find a training webinar linked in the product description of this video. It's a free training where you can go through all of the details or maybe tips and tricks of how to sell properly on Amazon. I'm going to show you 3 different things that you can do to your main images to increase your CTR. Number 1, extra features. As you might already know, the main image should always be on a white background. However, look at this simple product. The seller and Be Natural are selling hair vitamin gummies, which are chewable. And thus, what they decided to do is to add 3 little gummies right here, not really breaking Amazon's terms of service because we're showcasing exactly what comes in the bottle itself, in the pouch pack itself, and explaining to the customer that it's a gummy. It's very easy because honestly nowadays there's so many different keywords that you need to add into the title. It's quite difficult, and customers, when they're looking for products, they're not going to read all of the titles. So by simply adding these small little gummies right here, it's a little bit more intriguing. And trust me, I checked, other sellers are not doing the same. Product number 2, also the same thing. So this brand in particular is highlighting the fact that this is a very clean product and showing that their capsule comes transparent, and it also shows the size of the capsule, which is also very important for a lot of customers. So very nice, very simple way of just adding the capsule in the main image. However, let's move on to the second thing that I want to tell you about, because this also involves the same thing, which are keywords. If you noticed right here, this seller has added a sticker on their product showing that it is pregnancy safe. So this is a main keyword for this seller because they're targeting pregnant women to take their vitamins. So this is actually adding potential keywords into your main image. Another example is, well, I want you to look at this set of baking sheets, baking pans to be quite clear. So this is the main image. It's a standard main image, nothing really different about it. However, look at this seller. Look at, it's actually the same company, but look at this ASIN. So as you can see here, directly, there is a little paper on one of the bake sets that says everything that you need. It actually says the same exact details that are found in the title. But again, who has the time to read every single title? So here it says non-stick, easy to clean, 6-piece bakeware set. Very simple. Now the argument that most customers or sellers on Amazon ask us is, does this paper really need to be on the product itself? Well, ideally, yes, but sometimes it can be a marketing thing where it doesn't really have to look like it's actually a paper that's gonna come on the product itself. And at the end of the day, what a customer really cares about is a really good quality product. So you decide. And finally, number 3, explain. This is one of my favorite images. And as you can see, it highlights these unique features of this very, very simple product, an office chair. very simple and boring, to be quite honest. And as you can see, this same office chair is shown in 3 different angles. Most important image is this one with the person sitting down and feeling so relaxed. So this is how you're utilizing the main image to explain how the product can be used, and thus doesn't really break Amazon's terms of service. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your comments. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel because we've got a lot of great videos coming out. So if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and leave me your comments, your thoughts, your questions in the comments section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.